Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. So over here in front of me, I have three bikes with three different paint jobs, and I'm going to be taking you through each paint color through each bike, and I'm going to be giving you my experience. And let's get into this video right now. So the first one starting in front of me over here, I have my Bianchi. So this is the 40-year-old steel bike that was built in Japan, and I'm going to just quickly zoom in let you admire this paint job over here. Now, what this is, okay, so this is the typical, late 70s, early 80s Japanese built frame. But what happened there, they painted the bike and they applied the clear coat. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this nice thing going on. Now, if you were to rub in the microfiber towel, so like this one over here, if you try rubbing it in with some compound, nothing will come up, because the reason why being is because there's a clear coat, so that you're not going to be able to remove the paint. So the bottom line is I found this paint very durable, very nice. That's why this bike is 40-year-old. I'll let you see the quality is really, really nice. So this would be the best quality, one of the paint jobs that I would rank based on what I have seen with all the bikes that I messed with. Top-notch quality, old school paint with the clear coat. And let you see over here how the clear coat nicely shines up. Okay, let's go to the number two, the second best. So right here in front of me I have my Pinarello. So this is, if you see over here, this is matte. So this is matte finish, just purely painted, and it doesn't have a clear coat. Now, if you look over here, I'm gonna try to show you the critical spots over here. This is the area where there's a lot of debris, just like over here behind the fork, and this over here. The bike, the paint job has held up very nicely. Can't complain. I'm going to take you to the top tube over here. Very, very nice experience. Let you see the triangle there. Italians have painted this bike in really nice top-notch quality. So this would be the second best. Now I'm going to just show you the little area over here. They put some clear coat here, and this was typical of the older bikes that they would apply this paint. They would put a little bit of clear coat. But if you see over here, my bike was mainly finished without the clear coat. So there you can kind of admire the paint. Second best, and again, if you're going to be buying the bike with that kind of paint, I give it a thumbs up. Not even a single chip on the entire bike. Okay, so this is the last one over here. That's mostly the very beautiful, but it has a very unique history. Now, right here, where I have in front of me, Italian copy. Now, this is the part where things get a little tricky here. Let you see let you see what I'm talking about here. This is pure paint, but no clear coat on it. So you see, there's a tiny chip right down there. Hopefully you can see it in this video. But what I have to say about this paint job is that it's the most beautiful, the most expensive, because Columbus and Italians sold limited number of frames, so that makes them go up in price quite a bit. However, before you clamp this bike on any stand, keep in mind that the paint is very, very soft. So if you do have an expensive Italian bike, I want to warn you that the paint is very soft, and I love to be very careful when I clamp the bike, when I do the cleanup. So, like you have seen, very pretty paint job. However, the paint is going to be very soft. And I'll let you just admire what I'm talking about here. Just incredible piece of paint. But however, you do have to keep in mind, it's going to be very soft paint, just like most of the Italian bikes. They are nice, they're expensive, but keep that in mind. I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.